That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This particular oil is a Dyna kit. Okay, this bike, you can tell it's a Dyna because the filter's bigger. Okay, you also get a free detailing wipe for cleaning your bike. Very nice, shines and protects. Okay, you get a proper size Dyna filter. Now a lot of people are fitting the little filters on the Dynas. You do want a proper Dyna filter. It is bigger on the Evos, and that improves cooling because it's on the front of the bike, and also more filtering. Okay, comes complete with the O-ring. You get a free wipe for your bike. You get 4 litres of oil, which is more than enough. Gives you a bit of spare as well. Now this is mineral, as I say, made in Europe, made by Ural in Europe, so it is good quality oil. Okay, you get 4 litres, more than enough. If you get a synthetic kits, you can actually put one of these in the primary. Okay, but I don't recommend that with this. I would buy the proper primary oil, which again we do the MCS primary oil as well. If you're interested, buy this on eBay, thank you, or we have got it on our website very shortly. It'll be on the customcruisers.eu because it's the only website that is actually connected to a way we can upload stuff, because the rest is shit. But give you an idea sort of stuff other oils that we do. You can see in here we've got everything. We've got fully synthetic butylene, we've got super duper polish, we've got the drag specialties, we've got V-Spec, again that's the mineral. Okay, you've got Wagner's 2-stroke, 4-stroke. Got fully synthetic RevTech. We got Butylene 2040. This is Indian oil. We got the official Indian oil 2040. We have actually got some 2050 Indian oil, 1540. I think it was a 1550 Indian oil as well. Here's your sport trans for your Sportsters. Fully synthetic Syn 3. That's genuine Harley. This is the ultimate for your tranny. It's fully synthetic S&S oil, because obviously when you fit a big motor, you need a lot more protection. We got your .5, .4 silicone and normal brake fluids. We got your Motul. We've got this is for your motocrossy type bikes. This is your primary oils. This is your Spectro. Okay, we've got more Wagners here, fully synthetic 85 140 again. We've got classic oil there, that's got no additives at all. Then we've got the Bellray 2050, if you like Bellray, which is a damn good oil. Then we've got the Thumper, that's a 1040 as well. We've got Motul fully synthetic 2050, Katana 1060. That's the V-twin oil, and that's your race bike oil. And we also do your 1040 Wagners, which is top quality. That's a mineral. Okay, we've got the fully synthetic 2-stroke, sorry, the mineral 2-stroke, and then we've got TT to protect everything. Okay, we've also got all the different additives, all your bike cleaners, you know, your silicon, sorry, ceramic oils, your lubricants, your lead-free petrol additives, your stuff to stop the ethanol going off. Lots and lots of great additives as well. Okay, if you're interested, call us 01773835666. Alternatively, email sales@customcruisers.com. We do full oil change kits, as you can see now. Thank you.